Hello people, welcome to Learn Konkani with Saurabh. I hope you are doing fine during this corona pandemic. I got requests from people saying that I should teach reading Konkani, and I thought why not start with a newspaper, and that too a e-newspaper because you could access it from any corner of this world. I found a newspaper named Bhangar Bhui and we'll head to it soon. Please do let me know if you like this video or this type of content so that I can make more videos on reading Konkani. Okay. Another thing is I love answering to your queries. So if you have any, do not hesitate to comment down below or even mail me at kaisaresaurabh@gmail.com. Without further ado, let's head to our newspaper website. So this is the website epaper.thegoan.net, and you can find these newspapers which are in Goa. You can scroll down to any date whichever you want. As of now it is 30th of May, and the only Konkani newspaper is Bhangar Bhui. Apart from these, all other newspapers are either in English or in Marathi. For example, this Goan Varta is a Marathi newspaper. So let's see what news we have today. This is how the paper looks like, and you can go through any other clip. Okay, so I would be taking you to the third page, and this is the news which we would be reading. मुख्यमंत्र्या कडल्यान गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंय घटक राज्य दिसाची परबी. मुख्यमंत्री, मुख्य is head or chief, मंत्री is a minister, so chief minister. मुख्यमंत्री, मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या कडल्यान, कडल्यान is from, right? We saw this in one of our videos. मुख्यमंत्र्या कडल्यान from the chief minister. गोंयच्या लोकांक, गोंय, this is the spelling. Goy is Goa in Konkani, okay? Goy, and it has to be a bit nasal. So Goycha Lokang. Lok is nothing but people. So Goycha Lokang would mean people of Goa, okay? People belonging to Goa or Goans in general. Goy Ghatak Rajya Dis. Now Goy Ghatak Rajya Dis is Goa Statehood Day. So Goy Ghatak Rajya Din. Ghatak Rajya is addition of one more state. So Goy Ghatak Rajya Disachi Parbi. Parbi are wishes. The sentence as a whole, मुख्यमंत्र्या कडल्यान गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंय घटक राज्य दिसाची परबी. From the chief minister to the people of Goa, wishes for Goa Statehood Day. In Hindi it would be like, मुख्यमंत्री से गोवा राज्य के लोगों को गोवा घटक राज्य दिन की शुभकामनाएं. फाइन. भांगर भोई प्रतिनिधि. Bhangar Bhui is the name of the newspaper. Pratinidhi is a representative. Okay. Panji. Panji is of course the capital city of Goa. Mukhyamantri Dr. Pramod Sawant. Mukhyamantri is chief minister. We saw that. Dr. Pramod Sawant is the name of the chief minister of Goa. Right? Mukhyamantri Dr. Pramod Sawant. Hani गोंयच्या लोकांक गोंय घटक राज्य दिसाची परबी भेटल्या. Now, of course, the title and the sentence is just the same. Here, just the chief minister's name has been added. And Hani. Hani is basically this person. Okay, Mukhyamantri, this person. I know it does sound a bit different in English, but yeah, this does exist in Indian languages. In Hindi, it would sound like मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, इन्होंने गोवा राज्य के लोगों को गोवा घटक राज्य दिन की शुभकामनाएं दी. मुख्यमंत्री आपल्या संदेशांत म्हणता. मुख्यमंत्री, we saw that chief minister. आपल्या is our. संदेशांत is message. आपल्या here would mean मुख्यमंत्री's messages. Okay. In मुख्यमंत्री's message, म्हणता. म्हणता is a form of म्हणप, which means to say. Okay. म्हणप is to say. So मुख्यमंत्री, chief minister, in his message says, got it? In Hindi it would be like, मुख्यमंत्री अपने संदेश में कहते हैं, and then the sentence continues. So the sentence says 30 मे हो गोयच्या इतिहासातलो महत्वाचो दीस. 30 मे हो is this. गोयच्या इतिहासातलो, गोयच्या इतिहासातलो, इतिहास is nothing but history. Okay? गोयच्या इतिहासातलो in Goa's history. महत्वाचो दीस, महत्व is important, महत्वाचो दीस is important day. 30 May in Goa's history is an important day, right? 30 May यह गोवा के इतिहास में एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन है. 1987 वर्सा ह्याच दिसा गोंयांक घटक राज्याचो दर्जा मेळ्ळो आनी गोंय हें भारत देशाचें 25वें राज्य जालें. 1987 वर्सा, वर्सा also could mean years, that is plural of year, or it could also mean in the year, right? 1987, ह्याच दिसा, ह्याच is this particular, okay? Disa is day. ह्याच दिसा together would mean this particular day. गोंयांक घटक राज्याचो, गोंयांक is Goa, or Goa got or received, घटक राज्याचो as in a separate state. Darja, okay? Darja is being classified as or being honored as a separate state, okay? Mello, mirab, I have taught this. Mirab is to get, okay, or to find. So in 1987, this particular day, Goa was honored as a separate state. In Hindi, it would be like 1987 बर्ष में इसी दिन गोवा को घटक राज्य दर्जा मिला. मेळो मतलब मिला, ओके, या मिला था. आनी means and. गोंय हें भारत देशाचें 25वें राज्य जालें. गोंय is Goa, हें is this. भारत देशाचें, भारत is India, देशाचें is country, okay, देशाचें, which means in the country of India or in the country India. 25वें, 25 is 25 in Konkani, वें is 25th, okay, 25th, राज्य is state and जालें became. The sentence in Hindi would be, गोवा यह भारत देश का 25वां राज्य बना. गोवा became the country India's 25th state. घटक राज्याचो दर्जा मेळ्ळे उपरांत गोंयच्या लोकांक आपल्या राज्याचे कारभार चलोवपाक अधिकार फावो जालो आनी आयज गोंयान सामाजीक, आर्थीक आनी सांस्कृतीक मळार भरीव प्रगती केल्ली आसा. सो घटक राज्याचो दर्जा, घटक राज्य, you know, right? Statehood. Darja is being honored or being called as a state now. मेळ्ळें उपरांत, उपरांत is afterwards. So मेळ्ळें is got and after they got it, right? So the sentence here says, after getting known as a state, dash dash dash, okay, till here, comma. After getting known as a state, and the sentence continues. ठीक है? घटक राज्य दर्जा मिलने के बाद, कॉमा, एंड देन आगे की सेंटेंस है. गोंयच्या लोकांक आपल्या राज्याचो कारभार चलोवपाक अधिकार फावो जालो. गोंयच्या लोकांक, we have seen here गोंयच्या लोकांक, it means people of Goa. आपल्या राज्याचो, आपल्या राज्य is our state, okay, our states, apostrophe s you have saw here. आपल्या राज्याचो कारभार, कारभार is administration, okay, चलोवपाचो अधिकार मेळ्ळो. अधिकार is a right. गोंयच्या लोकांक आपल्या राज्याचो कारभार चलोवपाक अधिकार फावो जालो. In English would mean the people of Goa got an opportunity, okay, or a right to administer their state. Okay? In Hindi it would be गोवा के लोगों को अपने राज्य का कारोबार चलाने का अधिकार मिला. Okay? Ani is and I's Goyan Samajik is social, Arthik is financial, and Sanskritik is cultural, Malar is platform, Bharif is a lot of progress. Pragati is nothing but progress. Okay? Kelli asa. Today, Goa is making progress in social, financial as well as cultural platforms. आज गोवा सामाजिक, आर्थिक और सांस्कृतिक प्लॅटफॉर्म्स पे प्रगती कर रही है. ठीक आहे. सध्याच्या कोविड-19 महामारीच्या संकष्टाच्या काळात गोंयांत कोरोना दुयेंसाचे संसर्ग पातळचो न्हय म्हणून सरकारान जायते उपाय घेतल्यात. Now this sentence is a bit deviating from the actual topic, more related to the COVID-19 situation. सध्याच्या COVID-19 महामारी is a pandemic. महामारीच्या is the conjugation in this sentence. सध्याच्या could be called currently. COVID-19 महामारीच्या संकष्टाच्या काळान is a difficult situation. In the current COVID-19 pandemic difficult situation, गोंयांत कोरोना दुयेंसाचो संसर्ग पाताळचो न्हय. गोंयांत, again in Goa, you have कोरोना दुयेंसाचो. दुयेंस is a disease. दुयेंसाचो संसर्ग पाताळचो न्हय. Sansarga is, the community spread hasn't happened yet. Okay? So, corona duensacho, sansarga patalzo, it still hasn't reached the community spread level. Okay? Noi is not. Corona disease still hasn't reached the community spread level. Mhanun is, that is why, sarkar is government. Sarkaran, the government has जायते उपाय घेतल्यात. जायते means necessary. Upay are whatever actions they have told, घेतल्यात, have taken. I'll read the sentence completely now. सध्याच्या COVID-19 महामारीच्या संकष्टाच्या काळात गोंयांत कोरोना दुयेंसाचो संसर्ग पाताळचो न्हय म्हणून सरकारान जायते उपाय घेतल्यात. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic difficult situation in Goa hasn't reached the community spread level. That is why government has taken the necessary actions. Okay? भलायकी सुविधांनी गरजेची सुधारणा करपा वांगडाच ह्या दुयेंसाचेर नियंत्रण दवरपा खातीर सगळ्यांनी सरकार यंत्रणा बरे तरेन काम करतात. Now this sentence means भलायकी. Now in Hindi I would say भले के लिए. Okay, for something to happen good, सुविधा is a facility. So for better facilities, गरज is a necessity. Okay, सुधारणा करपा वांगडाच. So basically this sentence means for the betterment of the facilities, Wangda is together. So with the betterment of facilities, together, ह्या दुयेंसाचेर नियंत्रण दवरपा खातीर, ह्या is this, दुयेंसाचेर is on the disease, नियंत्रण is taking control, दवरप is to keep a control, नियंत्रण दवरप is to keep a control, खातीर is for that. So, for keeping a control on this disease, Sagli is all, Sarkarachi is governments, Yantranam, whatever actions they have taken, their decisions, Bare Taren Kam Kartat. They are working for the good. Okay, basically this sentence means with the betterment of the facilities and together keeping the COVID-19 disease in control, all the measures taken by the government are working in the proper direction. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please hit a like and of course do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and have a nice day ahead.